Okay, uh, good morning. Time is 11:50. Hope everyone is doing fine. I want to show you guys how to replace your cabin air filter for Hyundai Ionic HEV or HEV Plus. Okay, so let's get started. All right, so this is a new filter. I purchased it on at Shopee. All right, so this filter costs about 8 to 9 ringgit. It's an activated carbon filter. Later I'll post the link. Okay, so you can see it's black color. Slightly black color. So this is the filter. All right, there is no direction. You can put it in any way, but the stock filter, there is a direction. You have to follow the arrow. Right, so how you going to replace it? My filter inside here originally was non-carbon type, so I've already replaced now. So I'm going to replace another one, right? Because it's been quite long. I did not change the filter, and at the same time, due to the virus attack, I think it's better to keep the aircon filter clean and also change it for hygiene purpose. Okay, let's do that now. So you open your glove compartment box. Okay, you just empty everything inside here. Let me just take out all my stuff. Just take out everything. Right, so once it's already done, you can see this thing here. Just rotate it counterclockwise. Okay, and then after you rotate it counterclockwise, you just pull it out. Okay, similarly you do it here, counterclockwise, and then you pull it out slowly. Okay, right, so once you pull it out, this whole glove box now can come down. This compartment box here, it can come down. So it will not totally come down because you have a support here. This is the damper. So when you open the glove box, normally it will come out slowly. This is the damper. Okay, now your aircon filter, in a cabin air filter, is located inside here. Okay, sorry, it's not focusing well. All right, okay, so there's a clip here. You got to press this clip with your two fingers and pull. Right, one side also will do. So you pull and then you just take it out. Okay, the other side also the same. You press and you pull, so it comes out. So this is the cover. You can see this is the filter now. You pull it out slowly. Right, so you can actually see the difference. I'm not sure is it visible through the... Okay, so this is the new one and this is the old one. So I'm not sure if you can see the difference. Let's look. You cannot see by the phone, but the old one seems to be more darker in color. The new one is more lighter in color, right? So you can see all the dirt has been trapped here. Okay, here you can see, I think it's not visible, you cannot see much from the phone. So it's all, so this guy now is going to be thrown away. So you use this guy, a new one. So simply you can see at the side of the filter there is no any arrow, so you can use it any direction. So in my case, I will use it in this direction, such a way that the number is this way. Okay, so I'm going to put it back inside. You can see. Okay, I'm going to put it back inside. It's a perfect fit. The dimension is exactly same like your stock filter, right? I managed to find it at Shopee. And the advantage of this filter, because many members gave positive comments, including myself, it filterize all the odor, smell, and you will get a neutral smell when the aircon is on. Initially, when I got the car and I was driving, even though I set the aircon to be circulating in the car, when I stop at the traffic light, when the front lorry is also in front of me, especially, the smoke from the exhaust pipe, the diesel smell can be smelled in the car, even though it is circulating inside. Ever since changing to this activated carbon filter, that smell has already been solved. I did not get such a smell. Okay, and I'm very much happy with the filter. So after placing inside, you take the cover, right? Okay, this cover, there is a direction. So there is a direction. You cannot simply install this way or this way. You have to install in a way that the sharp clips are pointing down, not pointing up. It should be down. Why? Because it will eventually push the air filter up, secure the air filter up. Another way to know how to put this in is, you can see there is writing on top here on the cover. Let me just zoom it. Yeah, so you can see the writing. So the writing should be facing upwards, not downwards like this. It should be facing upwards. Okay, so you slowly put it back in until you hear the click sound. One, and this side. Okay, so now it's perfectly secure, and there you go. Your filter has already been replaced. You push slowly your compartment, your glove box on top. Okay, and put back the knobs. You just put it inside here. There is a groove, don't worry about that. You just roughly slowly turn it. Okay, sorry, because the camera is okay. So once you got it, then you will hear a click sound, and you can do the same for that side. So you see, there is a groove, there's a thing coming out here, and also something coming out here. It should goes here and here. So you put it in and you turn it clockwise until you hear a click sound. Okay, so it's already secure. So that is how you change your cabin air filter. Just for the record to share, cabin air filter need to be inspected every now and then. Okay, this filter you need to inspect every now and then. If it's very dirty, you need to change. If you don't change, what will happen? You will have air resistance, meaning which, if you on your aircon high speed, your output here will be still low, because the air forcing in the filter, going through the filter now, has some sort of resistance, because the filter the filter is dirty, right? So the car air conditioning system have to do extra work to get your car temperature has what you set to the desired temperature. So you got to maintain the cleanliness of this filter. Okay, you may also use those disinfection spray. Take out your filter, spray on the filter, and you put it back. Okay, you may do that once in a while to kill all the germs, especially now in this COVID-19 season. There's a virus, so you might do that. Okay, I've also come across some members where they put the air refreshener here itself, and they put the filter back at the glove compartment. Okay, that is obviously a personal preference, but highly not encouraged. Okay, to put any air refresheners here. Don't disturb the flow of air on the entire filter, right? If you want to have nice smell in the car, you may put your air refreshener here and not here, because inside there is a fan underneath to blow the air out. So if let's say any vibration and all that, this air refreshener might just drop. Okay, I think I better show you guys mm, how to. I think it's okay, because it's a new one. Maybe in the next video. Okay, just use the Dettol spray and spray on the filter for the disinfection. So once it's already done, so basically you can just close this up. So that is how you replace your aircon cabin filter, right? I hope it helps. You may do this in the house, those lady drivers also, it is very easy. Okay, you may do it by yourself. You may purchase this at Shopee. I will put the link below. So hope this video finds it useful for you guys. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself.